Food is here. So we got a tea kit originally, but I don't like to drink tea, so I returned it. But I still have this biscuit. This is my biscuit, and now I am going to eat it. Let's see how it tastes. Yeah, so I ate the biscuit, and it's good, but it's drier than the surface of the moon.
And I'm trying to make tea.
Yeah, so this is the tea kit, and it came with a sugar, a tea bag, and a dairy creamer. So let's see.
I'm gonna try it. He's not gonna try it because he doesn't like tea.
So let's see my brother mess up while making tea.
Should I give it all?
Give it all.
I will probably have sugar after this.
Diabetes. And there's the dairy creamer.
It's not.
Can you eat?
Don't do it, bro.
Yeah. I am.
এটা খুলে দাও না খুলছি
And he is putting the dairy creamer in it.
Yes, bro, I love creamer.
Yeah. He likes cream tea.
Bro, look at the tea, it's pure white.
And now the final step.
Put the tea bag. I trust this. I guess I made it.
No, you did not made it. First,
Oh, sorry, I messed up.
and now he's going to drink tea.
So what should I do with this? Put it in the plate, I guess. Yeah, cool.
Triggered British person noises.
Bruh. Cool.
The phone almost slipped from my hand.
Oh, no. The biscuit was about to fall off. Biscuit done now. Let me wait for 10 minutes so the tea gets cold. Time skip. Now I forced my brother to drink tea because I am a common British dude.
Happy.
Hey, move the camera away from me, boy.
Yeah, so this is tea kit, and now I am going to make tea. Yeah, so hello. Now I am going to make tea.
Tell me all the steps of making tea right now, or else you get murdered.
So first, what you gotta do is you gotta take the dairy creamer for some reason. I don't know why it's here.
Dairy creamers is here because to make the tea creamy or something like that. Okay? Is my coffee cold yet? Nah.
It's not even coffee, bro. It's tea.
Yeah, I forgot.
My bro forgets everything. So yeah. Now we have put that. Now it's time to get diabetes.
Yeah, just look at it. He got time for a big packet of sugar. Bro has to get diabetes right now.
This sugar feels like water.
But this is actually sugar. That will make your tea white. Wait a second. Let me take a look at your tea. Look at it's pure white like milk.
And now
But now it will turn from milk to
tea. Again, triggered British person noises.
So that's how you make tea with orange joy.
Wants the camera for no reason at all because he's violent.
So time to test some tea. Yes, so tasty. I will now declare that I am a British citizen. Oh no, I forgot. To do that I need to jump from a plane and put the biscuit in tea or something like that. Okay. Bro, the speedometer is telling that this train is going 1 kilometer per hour. Just take a look.
This is 1 kilometer per hour.
So slow, bro.
Actually, the train is going at the speed of like
129 kilometer per hour.
yeah, it's shaking like crap.
It's going at the speed of 129 kilometer per hour. Okay?
And now I am also going to drink tea.
No,
But
you're-
before that, let's see him drink tea.
Tastes very good. You should try it. Very, very tasty. I want to be a British citizen. Take a look at my tea.
Indian boy arrested by British police for be wanting to be a British citizen after drinking crappy tea.
রেগান ওইখানে আছে আমাদের C1 এ
Who is this? Nobody knows.
রেগান
So this is the last of my tea. I'm feeling so sad. Try it right now, boy.
Tea.
Meanwhile, him waiting for his tea to cool down. Bruh, that's too much hot for you. As I said, that's too much hot for him. Take a reaction at his face. Bro isn't even drinking the tea and bro is giving up. Never back down, never what?
Never give up.